How to prevent fires in your home. Here we give you 3 tips to follow. But first, subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the bell so you don't miss anything. Let's start. 1. Keep your kitchen clean and tidy. The kitchen is the most fire-prone area in the home. Be sure to clean up after using the kitchen and remove any flammable items from the counter. 2. Do not leave burning candles unattended. Candles can be very dangerous if not used correctly. Be sure to put it out completely before going to sleep or leaving the house. 3. And last, don't smoke in bed. Smoking in bed is one of the leading causes of home fires. Be sure to put out any cigarettes before you go to sleep. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a like. Tell us, do you know any other tips to prevent fires? We are Easy Tarp and Restoration, your best allies for fire problems.